How to make money listening to music online. That's what we'll be talking about today. Indeed. Also, what are your favorite musical genres? Put those down in the comments below. Also, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog, all kinds of different apps and websites and such. Some make a little bit of money, some make a lot of money, depending on how much time you put in all these different things and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, let's get right into this. First up, we have Slice the Pie. Get paid for your opinion. It's simple. We help people make decisions. Now you could listen to music here. You can do surveys as well, but we're talking about music today. So let's take a look at what they have to offer. Slice the Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots of other stuff, blah, 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 blah. Helps record labels, artists, and brands make decisions. Now, if you're an artist too, you can sign up for this site and put your music on here and get it reviewed. But that's another story. Okay, and you can even make more stuff by referring friends. Please use my referral code. It's the link in the video description below as well. And let's take a look at some of the stuff here. So, what musical genres do you like? You're gonna once you sign in, you're gonna be presented with a screen. Answer a few questions. Put your information in. So I like acoustic, alternative, ballads, blues. I kind of like a lot of different styles of music. So I'm just gonna pick a few here. So easy listening, electronic, experimental, folk music, funk music, indie, jazz, new age, new wave, pop rock, pop funk, punk rock. Obviously, I'm picking a lot here because you can pick whatever you want. Let's do some spoken word too. I like some world music too. Anyways, I do like some of these other genres, but I don't want to get bombarded. So, next, okay, your genres, music preferences, classical. Let's put a 4 for that. Country. Okay, just a little bit of that, and here you go. Let's see. So this is about a 2-minute track. I'm not going to play it on here for you guys because I don't want to copyright stuff like that. Tell us what you think. So you need to listen to at least 90 seconds before you submit your review. And then you put your ranking here. Would you add this song to a playlist? And that's pretty much it. So let's take a look at how you get paid and everything. So in the frequent asked question part here, there's all kind of stuff how to review on Slice the Pie. You can read all over this. The better reviews you give, they say, you're going to get rate the item 10 out of 10 and answer the questions. They said the better reviews you give and stuff, the better chance you have of getting money. Well, more money, I should say. Do I get paid? Yep. Slice the Pie pays you to review. 10 million reviews submitted. Blah blah blah. $1 million, whatever. How do I get paid more? Of course, that's one thing you want to check out. See, it's based on your star rating and the quality of your review. So, more detailed review you get. Don't just put I like it or something. Write an actual detailed review, not crazily reviewed. You have to write like a Rolling Stone article or anything like that. But so let's check out what else they got here. All right, how do I get my money? That's what we want to know about, right? Okay, earnings withdraw PayPal account, which needs to match the email address that you have with Slice the account. Okay, so cool. The minimum payout is $10, and you will get payment within 5 working days. So pretty cool. This is one cool one to check out. Again, links in the video description below for this. Tracking my referral code and stuff. And then you can even get more money when you refer friends. As you can see right here, you get your own code. And then, I don't have my code here, but it's in the description. Sit back, everyone makes money, blah, blah, blah. All right, so next up is a site called Radio Earn. And this one you can refer friends and stuff as well. Earn alone or with your website with listening radio. So learn more, scroll down, how it works. Sign up, create a free account. Yes, it's 100% free. Blah, blah, blah. It's worldwide. Every 15 minutes you get points. The points will be converted to the following US dollars. The US dollars, blah, blah, blah. You get PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin. It doesn't say PayPal here, but it has PayPal in the other part of the thing here. Okay, different browsers supported, so on and so forth. style your music, you know, all this good stuff. So a cool way, look, PayPal right here. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So this is a really cool one too. You can just check it out. I'm not gonna go into too much detail. I'm trying to keep this video short today. Is the service free? Yes. Switch countries. You can use our services worldwide. So that's a very cool thing. A lot of people ask me, you know, hey, on this, whatever videos I'm making aren't available in my country. This one's worldwide. All right, so check those out, folks. That is all for today. Check out my hundreds of other videos on my channel. Let me know what you think. Have you tried these services? Have you tried any other services I recommended? Let me know what kind of music you like in the videos or the comments below. That's it. Check out my other apps that I use and the videos that I'm popping up on the screen here. There you go. Check out those. Check out that. Subscribe. Yeah. Bye.